So this is my new to me Kenworth T800. It's a 1996. It's got a Cummins N14 in it that was rebuilt. I think the guy said 700,000 miles, but it's got like 300,000 on the rebuild. But I bought it for the long frame and the heavy duty rear end. Basically, this is kind of a sneak peek for the video series that I'm working on, but I'm turning this into a ramp bed. And so the previous video you kind of saw, if you watched that, click the link below. But if you, that video is about me chopping the ramp part off. And so basically I'm just gonna build a flatbed and mount that all to the frame. But this is kind of a overview of the Kenworth truck I bought. Let me go look inside here. There we go. Yep. So it's been well taken care of. It was actually an I think he said an ex-union. It was owned by a union company. So they took real good care of their machine. I mean, it's even got an AC air compressor that still works, blows cold air. But he had quite a few of these trucks, and he said the main problem when they get to around this age is hard starting. And he's had a few of these have hard starting problems. This one, I've actually had good luck. When I got it home, it starts right up, the one or two cranks. But he said it's the ECU kind of needs to be rebuilt. There's a company that does it, but if I continue to have problems, I'll probably have that rebuilt and looked at. But anyways, let's fire this thing up. I recently gave it a power wash. So it looks nice and pretty. Let's see here. I'll turn on the batteries. Okay. Yeah, so it's got a 13-speed transmission. And so I actually, in truck driving school, we learned on a 10-speed. So we just have this main flipper here. So it took me a little bit to get used to the side flipper, but it's not too bad. Get the key out. There we go. Let's see if it starts right up. Now it's been pretty cold this whole morning. We've had 30. I think temperature was it's 39 degrees out right now. So it was in the 20s this morning. Okay, we're in neutral. Let's see if it goes. Bet on this next one it'll work. Kind of embarrassing if it doesn't. There we go. Yeah, so it drives really nice, way better than the GMC Brigadier. That one, my other truck doesn't drive very well. But this one stops really good. Let's see. I think it's stock 460 horsepower or so. But see, it's got a three-stage engine brake, which is super useful because where I live, there's some big hills, and it's kind of a necessity to have that. But I do kind of need to clean inside. I did wash all the windows, but yeah. build up some air pressure. So when I get this flatbed built, I will definitely make a video of it driving on the road. That'll be an awesome video. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the part 2 and 3 of the flatbed build, because that's going to be pretty exciting to be able to get my excavator on here. So anyways, click the link, the like, and subscribe for more videos. So thanks for watching.